Plastic packaging is big business, but the waste it generates has created a public backlash because of concerns over its environmental impact. Hello there. This week on Business Planet, we're looking at what's being done to put plastic on a more sustainable path. We're in Austria to see how one family firm is turning that challenge into a business opportunity. Let's take a look. Alpla is a major converter and recycler of plastics. A global leader, the company is committed to developing innovative, sustainable packaging systems. One of its core products is a bottle made from so-called PET. Christoph, what's so special about PET?
The great thing about PET is that it's easy to recycle and can be used repeatedly in closed loops. Production of this recycled material results in about 90% less CO2 emissions. This is an important contribution for climate protection.
The company has teamed up with Nom, an Austrian dairy which uses Alpla's bottles for its milk products. Eric, why a plastic bottle? Why not glass or carton?
It's very simple. Compared to the refillable glass bottle, we save 20% CO2 in total, and we'd need 23 times more trucks to transport the same amount of bottles than with the PET bottle.
Plastic's strength, notably its protective qualities and durability, have, from an ecological perspective, arguably become its weakness. It's for that reason why circular solutions like this, in which repeated recycling can take place, are vital.
Our vision is to produce the most sustainable packaging. We will continuously strengthen our recycling activities and develop innovations using less material.
Both Alpla and the European Chemical Industry Council are signatories to the Circular Plastics Alliance. The initiative aims to boost plastic recycling inside the EU to 10 million tonnes by 2025. Sylvia, plastic's got a bad rap, but you don't think that's really fair, do you? Why?
Plastics are indispensable for climate protection, mobile phones, medical products. We need an intelligent solution so that we can use the advantages of plastics and at the same time prevent them from getting into the environment. A circular economy is precisely this intelligent solution.
As part of its new Green Deal, Europe will adopt a circular economy action plan in the coming months. That's set to include policies aimed at reducing and reusing materials even before the recycling stage. That's it for this Business Planet. For more on the Circular Plastics Alliance and how to join, go to our webpage. There we've got more insight from Sylvia, who we just spoke to. Thanks for watching.